Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex. Welcome to today's webinar. And one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the ForexFactory website. So I'm going to just share that screen with you. There we go. Okay, so when we look at the ForexFactory website, we have a bank holiday here in the UK and we have a bank holiday in the US. Now, if that isn't a great excuse not to trade Forex today, then I don't know what is. And it is a great excuse to rather go and play golf and take things easy, because nothing is going to happen in the market. There will be no volatility. Now, just to confirm that, let's look at the 360-degree indicator, and I'm just going to increase it in size a bit. And I like looking at the RSI to see where volatile currencies are and volatile movements are happening. And there's just nothing happening there. Just look at that. Not a single, or only the US yen has some movement in it. All the others are dead quiet. So again, that confirms that we really need to take things easy and wait until later in this week when there's more volatility in the market. Also, if you look at the currency strength indicator, it shows that the currencies are basically pretty neutral and very few gains and losses being recorded. So that's a good lesson. There are times when you should not be trading Forex, and today is one of those times. Unfortunately, this webinar was scheduled as a normal Monday webinar quite a long time ago, and we did not take these bank holidays into. Now, so what you can learn from this webinar is go to the ForexFactory website, have a look at what is scheduled for the day before you start any trading. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.